Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm the Grey Gardener if you're new here. I run my own gardening business currently in my second year. So I've been on YouTube for a year and a half now, and I've been doing pricing videos for a similar amount of time. So I thought I'd just do a bit of an update and just kind of put a bit of context to those videos, you know, if you're new, because I've gained a lot of subscribers since I first started doing them. So these pricing videos are actual examples giving you an actual price of what I charge for certain jobs, and I like to try and keep them varied. It's basically to give people a ballpark, a rough idea of those who are just starting out, or if you're thinking about getting into gardening. Obviously, due to the nature, you know, of them, I'm getting lots of gardeners who's been going for 5, 10, 15, 20 years, you know, watching them, and which is great because I invite people to, you know, let me know what they would charge, and it's always interesting reading through. But primarily it's just to help people out, you know, and you know, as I say, give a ballpark figure. Obviously lots of variables. Everyone runs the businesses differently. We all have different standards of living, you know, different sets of circumstances. So as I say, it's a rough figure starting point, and you know, it's nice to read through. I get people saying I'm too cheap, I'm too expensive, people agreeing with us, and that's just what I expected. You know, I'm not looking for any verification when I do post these videos. I'm not like looking for approval or anything like that. It's literally just to you know, help people who might want to be helped, and just to give everyone else a bit of a nosy into, you know, how I run my own business. And the channel is all about my journey, you know what I mean. It's I'm new. There's guys like comment on my channel, you know, who've been going for 20 years, and I get things wrong. I certainly get some pricing wrong, and I admit that, you know, I'm not. It would be easy to make a channel and pretend I run a fantastic business and like I'm the best, and you know, it's all rosy and perfect, but that's not the case, and that's the whole point of this channel, is to document the good and the bad. Because I've only been going for well, I haven't even gone the full 2 years yet, and I'm putting all my decision making on YouTube, and you know, in terms of how I run my business, the pricing, all my gear, how I go about things, and you know, I did a, a tree pruning job that I just basically said I didn't really know what I was doing, and you know, as I say, it would be easy just to pretend I'm great and all my jobs are, you know, spot on, and I know what I'm doing in all my jobs. But that's not the case. It's not realistic, and I think most of you are on board, as I say, and you know, all the feedback is welcomed. I've learnt a lot from guys who are experienced and who have been going a long time, and you know, when you recommend like different tools and stuff, you know, obviously I check them all out, and it's really quite valuable. But you know, I hope people understand that, you know, as I say, I am putting all my decision making on YouTube, and I don't always get it right, and that's just the nature of the channel. You know, 99% of you are absolutely spot on, and really helpful, and really nice, and get what the channel is about. One other thing to mention as well is the videos that I do put out, they're not all necessarily filmed and edited that week, and when they come out, it's not what should we say, like live and current. I have got, as it stands, about 20 videos edited, filmed, and ready to go on schedule on YouTube's the YouTube studio that I use. It's basically you know, if I have a busy few weeks, or if I get a bit sick of doing videos, I know there's like videos coming out every week for the next, I think, 4 months or something, so I can just forget about YouTube for a while and just you know, do other things. So that's why I do that. There was a grass cut. This will be out this week, by the way. I'm going to film this and put it out this week, so this is current. But there was a video that came out the other day, and the grass was like absolutely lush and long and green, and we've just had this 40-degree heat wave, and people say, oh, I wish, you know, grass looked like that around where we work. And I had to say, like, this was filmed a few months ago, so it's that kind of thing. So not every video will be current, because that's, you know, I cannot if I was just doing week to week, it would be such a stress just to try and get a video out that week, you know, amongst all the other millions of things that I'm doing with, you know, at home, the allotment business, the baby, family, and it's just all a bit much. So I like to block, edit and film my videos sometimes and do it that way. It's just, I find it works easier. Works a lot easier for us. So anyway, I'll leave that one there. Thanks for watching again, much appreciated, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Cheers.